welcome. So what we'll do now is we'll discuss a case study on digital twin, particularly in manufacturing sector. So the application is using digital twin in manufacturing sector with generative AI. So since our subject is generative AI, what I thought is we will implement generative AI into digital twin. So where it can be used in digital twin, how digital twin can be implemented in manufacturing. That is our use case today. So first we will start by defining what is a digital twin.
So, a digital is which replica of the physical object. It is created using data collected from real-time machine sensors or systems.
Okay.
So, this digital model behaves exactly like the real-time object. Helps us to monitor and improve its performance.
Okay.
The concept is widely used in manufacturing, aerospace, and automotive industries. For example, in a factory, a digital twin of a machine can show its temperature, vibration, and speed. So engineers can predict its failure before they occur and maintenance in advance.
Very good, very good. That was very neatly explained. So as she said, it is a virtual replica of the original model. So what are the original model is going through? For example, you take an engine, it will be going through wear and tear and all different process. Everything the digital replica will be going through. Any more point would you like to add?
Sir, in digital twin, there are main components. The first is physical entity, which is the real object or system. The second is digital model, the virtual representation. And the third is data connection, which is the real-time data exchange between the physical entity and digital system. So the digital twin helps in reduce the cost and improves the efficiency, minimizes the downtime, and it also supports simulation and optimization without disturbing the actual system.
Very good, very good. So what she said is, to summarize, it is used in cost reduction, it is used in optimization, it is used in wear reduction. So many principles we use digital twin. So now we've got an idea what is digital twin. So our aim is to use generative AI digital twin. Where in digital twin we can substitute the conventional method with generative AI. That can be explained.
So, digital twin can be used using generative AI, like for generating CAD models,
Okay, very good.
which will reduce manual modeling. And secondly, it can be generated a scenario for a digital twin, which helps to analyze the real-time scenario data of the model, and also helps in prediction, failing predictions of the model.
So what we said is first thing is for scenario prediction. So that's an important concept. So you can replicate the scenario. As we said, we can replicate the model, but you can replicate the surrounding itself with generative AI. So that's a major advantage. So any other thing would like to add?
As Tiger said, it can also be used for design optimization, which can reduce the time.
So like to elaborate here, what you can do is you can optimize the created design further, and also you can generate synthetic data. So that's the major advantage of this generative AI. One thing is reducing the cost by creating synthetic data. So now you have an idea what generative AI is, how it can be used in digital twin. Now can anyone say what are the use cases, specific use cases manufacturing sector?
As I said before, basically GenAI is used in digital twin for manufacturing aerospace products.
Okay.
In aerospace, while considering, we can take one wing from airplane. The wing we contains so many sensors. From the sensors, we get some data. So by getting the data, we plan to do a reverse engineering. From that data, we build a virtual replica of a product, which is nothing known as digital twin of the product. In that statement, there are some mistakes, there are some errors with the data and with the temperature, pressure, and some other factors which are affecting the aerospace technologies. So in that, generative AI is used to create a solution and reasoning for how we can do the replica of and solve the errors in that product.
Any more use case like that? I would like to add another use case of application for digital and generative AI. It is additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing in these days is rapidly growing, as we can see. There are different types of processes for 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Digital twin can be implemented with like softwares like Cura. We could visualize the design which we made in it, and we could simulate various alignment and support structures. So we could optimize it in a way that where we could use materials less material consumption, and it could also be used to analyze and simulate. This is very good. So all of you explained it very well. So what we can use spatial awareness for optimization, for cost reduction, for creating new data. So those are the major applications of digital twin in manufacturing sector. So with applying generative AI, we can update this technology further. So thank you, students.